Hey guys, it's Richard here. I've got an exciting video this week for you guys. It's about the arrival and the installation setup of our new Konica Minolta AcuraWide 160 press. It's a hybrid press, so it does roll-to-roll and it also does direct-to-board. Anyways, I won't keep you guys any longer. Please enjoy the video. So here's the footage of the machine actually getting offloaded the truck. We had to bring in a 50-ton forklift just to get the crate off. From there, the machine was taken out of the crate and wheeled over into position. Here is some footage of our new machine running. The job it's running is for a new customer of ours who happens to own a gym. This machine is twice as fast as our old machine, and I look forward to showing you guys more projects in the future on this machine.